GIR! What happened?
The plug thing! It's not plugged!
Now, witness the power of my compass.
Aw, he likes me. I'm naked! Chicken! I'm gonna eat you! Dancing like a monkey!
What does that have to do with anything?
Me and the squirrel are friends.
GIR! Meet me in the launch hangar.
I gotta go, pig. I'll see you later. I gotta go, pig. I'll see you later. Oh, wait. Come back. I need stuff.
Hey, these aren't bad. What's in them?
There's waffle in them.
You're lying!
Yes. Wait a minute. No. Why is his head so big? Why is his head so big? Yay! It burns! I love this show.
The Megaduber GIR! The most powerful stealth robot in the Irkin military. Engineered by Conquered Vort scientists, actually. They're filthy.
It's got chicken legs. Meow.
Maybe that little robot isn't such a bad evil minion after all.
What's it do? What's it do?
Hey, go away.
Okie dokie.
GIR! Take the massive controls in the other room. I have to go up above.
Yay! I don't know what you just said. Yay! We're done.
Okay, you, do things. Make Tax Robot crazy.
Only if you dance with me. I was a chubby lady hiding in the bushes.
How did you run out of fuel that quickly?
I emptied it out
Emptied it? Why?
to make room for the tuna.
GIR! Get up! What are you doing?
I'm eating mashed potatoes.
GIR! You left the door open again.
I got chocolate bubblegum. Wait, if you destroyed Dip in the past, then he won't ever be your enemy. Then you won't have to send a robot back to destroy him, and then he will be your enemy, so then you will have to send a robot back!
You man the tractor beam. I'll pump the cows full of human sewage.
Cows are my friends.
I don't like you.
Hi, Floor! Make me a sandwich!
That's better! I guess.
Sandwich! Sandwich, please!
But I need tacos. I need them or I will explode. That happens to me sometimes.
Hurry, GIR! What did you learn?
I saw a squirrel. He was doing like this.
Zim! How did you know we'd be here?
I placed a tracking device on you.
Tracking device? Where? Huh? Huh?
Your head smells like a puppy.
Okay, for you, I'm thinking maybe a dog.
Can I be a mongoose dog? He's got peanuts and soap in him.
The knowledge, it fills me. It is neat.
Why? Why, my piggy? I loved it, you piggy. I loved it, you. It's who made waffles.
I'm not going to eat that! There's only one thing I can do!
You gotta make biscuits. You gotta make biscuits. You gotta make biscuits. You gotta make biscuits.
No, GIR. Never. I never want you to mention biscuits ever again. GIR!
It's me. I was the turkey all along.
I was wondering what that turkey was doing there.
I gotta sing the doom song now. Doom, 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 doom,